Hello everyone, welcome to our second episode. It's about vectorizing AI generated logo in Adobe Illustrator. In this session, we will import our AI generated logo into Adobe Illustrator. Then we convert it into vector format and we will clean and simplify the design. Then add custom text and colors. At the end, we will export our logo to PNG or SVG. It's our today steps. Step 1, importing the AI logo image. The second one, using image trace for vector conversion. The third one, expanding and ungrouping elements. Number 4, cleaning background and extra shapes. The fifth one, smoothing paths and editing vectors. The sixth part is adding brand name and colors, and the last one is exporting the final logo. Watch how we turn this AI generated coffee logo into a real vector. I use these tools: Adobe Illustrator, Image Trace, Type Tool, and Color Switches. In my previous video, I generated a picture on Midjourney. Now I add this in Adobe Illustrator. When I add this, I open the window, then Image Trace, and I choose Trace. When I choose Trace, then I choose Auto Grouping and Expand. It calls we group all items in these pictures. Right click and choose ungroup. When we ungroup the items, we can transfer all them and we can delete some items that we don't want, like background and some another items. Don't forget, when you choose image trace, arrange the settings on black and white logo, because we want to delete the colors and add another colors that we want, or change it in black and white. Now I want to make it clear. I choose object menu, then path and simplify. Again path and smooth. Okay, now I want to add some text. I choose text tool, then I write my text. I want to write the name of this brand, Moon Brew Coffee. Then I can arrange the settings like the measure, font and color. I choose 48 for text and brown color for color text and a beautiful font. I choose this one. Okay, Moon Brew Coffee. Then I add my font. Okay. Great, it's enough. If you want to add another colors, you can add by selecting each item that you want to change. And also if you want to add some effects on text or on the logo, you also can apply. I don't want it's enough for this, and it's our final look. I want to save this, save as, and I choose SVG. What we covered today? Today we covered how to vectorize an AI generated image, cleaning and simplifying paths, adding custom brands, elements, exporting for print and digital. For the next episode, we will pairing fonts with AI. We will use AI tools to find the perfect fonts for your brand. Stay tuned. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Did you like the video or not? And if you have any question, please write them in the comments and I'm here to answer